In this video, you'll learn effective strategies for promoting your stand store on YouTube. By the end of this guide, you will know how to enhance visibility, engage your audience, and ultimately drive traffic to your store. First, begin by adding your stand store link to critical areas of your YouTube presence section while uploading or editing a video. This area is essential as it provides viewers with direct access to your store. After inserting the link, ensure it is clearly labeled so viewers understand where it leads. Next, include the same link in your channel banner. To do this, click on Customize Channel on your channel's homepage. Look for the links section and add your stand store URL. This allows viewers to see the link prominently when they visit your channel, increasing the likelihood they will click on it. Another important location for your link is the About section of your channel. Click on About on your channel page and find the option to edit. Insert your stand store link here as well. Providing multiple access points will help ensure your audience can easily find your store. Creating engaging videos is crucial for showcasing your products or services effectively. Focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Consider sharing tutorials, product showcases, or behind-the-scenes glimpses of your work. This type of content builds interest and encourages viewers to visit your stand store. Incorporate clear calls to action within your videos. Explicitly tell viewers to check out your stand store for more information or to purchase items. Make these prompts natural and integrated into your content. For example, after demonstrating a product, remind viewers where they can find it for purchase. Utilize YouTube features to enhance your promotional efforts. Adding end screens and cards can direct viewers to your stand store link when they finish watching. These interactive elements appear during or at the end of your videos, encouraging immediate action. Additionally, consider using pinned comments to highlight your store link, ensuring it remains visible to your audience. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your reach. Partnering with YouTubers who have a similar audience can introduce your stand store to potential customers. Discuss how your products can benefit their viewers and create joint content that showcases both your offerings. Optimizing your content for search is essential for reaching your target audience. Use relevant titles, descriptions, and tags that accurately reflect your video content and highlight your stand store. This practice will improve your visibility in search results, leading to increased traffic to your store. Lastly, engage with your audience in the comments section. Replying to comments shows you value their input and builds a community around your channel. Encourage viewers to click your stand store link by reminding them of the benefits your products offer. This interaction can significantly influence their decision to visit your store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.